short video here to show a new feature in Adaptable 18 that's been asked by a couple of our users, and that is transposing the grid. So similarly to Excel, it means that you turn the grid round so that rows become columns and columns become rows. And in Adaptable, that's available through our Grid API, that's our runtime API, which has a method called show transposed view. So let me show you what it looks like. Here I have a grid with lots of rows, lots of columns, and then this button here is going to call the API, and you can see we here get, let me go full screen, you can see that here we see a transposed view of that grid so that all the columns, let's go down, I can't, let's go across, so kind of pushed, GitHub watchers, name, language, etc. They go down here, and then the rows we're transposing on name, React Angular Vue Svelte, they become columns. There's a config object which that method takes, so you can change exactly how transposition works, and we expect over time, as people start to use this feature, that we will enrich that object. But currently there are a few things you can do. You can see them here. So again, let's go full screen. And in this example here, we've said we want to only show visible columns and rows. So what that means is, if I hide the code so you can see it better, in this example here, we've just got 8 rows and we've got a subset of the columns. So now when I transpose the grid, I only see the rows and the columns that are currently visible. And as I say, we will add more features to transposing as people start to use it. You're obviously now able to export that wherever you want. So essentially you can switch, or you can see a transposed view of your data whenever you want. As always, if you'd like to know more about Adaptable, we'll be happy to give you a demo, provide you with a free no obligation trial license, or if there are other features missing from our AG Grid extension that you would like to see, please get in touch and we'll be happy to add them. Thank you for watching.